Close call. This is risky. Don't try this at home. I'm actually a bit hungover today as well, so I should not be doing this. Okay, time to get back before accidents happen. Oh. Okay, we're safe. Don't want to go too far left because then I'm going to lose these patterns here. There we go. And you can't go here without doing this one. See that yellow tree? I wish it was like right next to the big yellow house, but I really love the contrast of the yellow house and the blue cold background here. I want to do something with this bridge here. Some nice repeating patterns, some reflections. Let's see what we can do. So we need to watch the exposure. See here, the shutter speed is down to 107.5, but it's still coming out sharp, so it's fine. I think that was a nice motif. Trying to include some people, like the one that was running. Like this. Don't want to have the foreground on this one. Trying to get a good capture of this big tree with the colored houses. Let's see. No, just a quick stop and keep moving. Just found myself this little floating pier here. Which, hopefully I can get me some nice shots in the lake. Or not the lake, the river. Not sure how unique they're gonna look, but it's worth a try. I was down here the other day and the water level was so low I could actually walk on the banks. But it looks like it's been coming up. Let's everything for the shot. Yeah, like I could walk all the way out here. This could be nice. Let's see. Oop. Just about got the wide enough zoom for this. Just gonna go by these logs here. Do this photo. Let's keep going. back through the bushes. Okay, so I just had to take a stop on this location here because I really love this composition here with the big house here in the foreground and these houses in the back reflecting on the lake. I'm calling it the lake all the time, but it's a river. Okay, let's go. Just looking for the best composition on this. Not sure about this. Too many branches in the foreground. Might need to get down on the riverbank. I love this light camera, light tripod. Just recompose while I'm going. Okay, let's have a look at this. I need to go to the viewfinder. So we got this nice pier in the foreground. I'm capturing the beach down here in the corners. I'm capturing the corner of my camera here is somewhere on the shore. So this should be a nice shot. I'm gonna go up to f11 for good measure and 2-second shutter. Just hoping I can get the angle on this, or I might need to go to the pier and actually shoot back here. Let's see. No, I'm gonna go for it like this. Let's go. Let's see. What the fuck am I standing on? Not sure what I'm standing on here, but I think this might be nice. Oh, I wish I was at my eye level, which is up here. That's much nicer, but I have no more length on this thing. Might just freehand it. I can't freehand 2.5 seconds. I need to do a bit of adjustment here to make it more manageable. 4 milliseconds. Keep going. I think there's something nice about these light poles on the bridge and the symmetry about them. I might try to get a good shot on that to highlight those. At the same time you have the reflections here. I'm just going to go for the poles actually and just cut the reflections like this. Not sure why the tripod won't stop moving. My tripod is slipping on this icy stuff. Just do it like this, it's fine. I trust this tripod way too much. It's just a light, small camera, so hope it's fine. I see the camera is about to run out as well, so hope it doesn't run out to me before I'm finished with this. The cap of this. Unlock. Zoom. Not sure if this is what I wanted, but I kind of like how the compression gives me the bridge in the background here.